I'm pretty sure maybe most of you are really happy because this video is not going to be too long. Hello everyone, it's Willy. Welcome or welcome back to my channel where I testing affordable beauty products or drugstore beauty products, and I hope that you are doing good. Make sure that you hit a subscribe button below and I will keep you updated every week. And today's video is going to be my favorite of March 2020-21. And of course, like I mentioned in every video, if you have favorite products from drugstore that you love, you could tell me in the comment, because I'm going to choose one of you, do a shout out video and create from your idea. And of course, if you have any questions, also feel free to ask with #questions. So yes, we should jump right to the video. I'm pretty sure maybe most of you are really happy because this video is not going to be too long, and that's because I didn't buy any products. I didn't buy anything new for this month. Well, that's because of in Thailand they don't have any new drugstore makeup product or anything new in Thailand. I don't know why. So hopefully that, I could find something new and create a tasting affordable beauty products to you. Hopefully, finger crossed. So yes, of course, let's jump right to our favorite of March, and I'd like to start with my skincare. So recently, I think my skin starts to have a problem. I don't know why. Maybe it's because of I switched my skincare as well, and I use foundation quite a lot in every day, also in the videos as well, like really heavy foundation. But lucky me, I already find a new serum which helped me a lot, but sadly it's a Thai brand. But I just would like to be honest to you guys, and they're not sponsored. I just speak like I just would like to tell you the truth, and they didn't tell me to do in my video. So yes, it's so serum, which is this one right here. I hope that you can see. So it has different formula. What's wrong with me? Which is this one for acne, and then after you clear your acne, of course, for the blemishes and everything, it's going to be this formula, which is really affordable, to be honest. That's why I put it on my video. This one is really cheap. It's just only like £3. Yes, and it helped me a lot. I really loved it. So moving on to what's wrong with me, I can't talk. Moving on to cosmetic or makeup part. So this one, first of all, I would like to say sorry because it's not from drugstore, but I just would like to be honest to you, and I got this one, which is Benefit 24 Hours Brow Setter. I got this one for a while because I heard a lot of YouTubers said it really good, it holds your eyebrow up all day, and then when I use it, because I didn't know the right way to use it. When I use it at that time, I feel like, no, it doesn't hold my eyebrow. It does nothing on my eyebrow apart of make it really thick. And then today I have a chance to wax my eyebrow with a Benefit. Thank you so much, Benefit. I got that for free. They didn't sponsor it, but yes, it's because of my birthday and I get a little gift. That is good. And I asked beauty advisor to use this one, and she explained it to me. It's like you just put it to your eyebrow and maybe use your finger to put it up, like help to put it up to stick to your skin, and the result is so good. And yes, of course, I can use it again, and I really love it. If you're trying to find some products that it will hold your eyebrow all day, I will definitely suggest you recommend this one to you. And also I also have another one which is I used in my video, like few video before, but I can't remember the name of it. I'm going to put the name of it here so you can see that it's really affordable as well, but the downside of that product is you know, it's quite messy when you use it, but this one is easy and friendly to travel with and easy to use. It's not messy, and that's why I love it. So another one is going to be concealer. Of course, I really love this one. It's a dupe. I do a dupe video, compare this one to Tarte Shape Tape, and this one of course it could be a dupe of Tarte Shape Tape, to be honest. It's full coverage, but the problem is I got the wrong shade, but I mix it up with e.l.f. concealer, which is pretty dark. That concealer pretty dark, so I mix it up and the result coming out really good. This is why I love it, and I put in my favorite video this month. So moving on to lipstick, but I didn't use this one as a lipstick because, well, I used this one. This one is from L'Oreal Ultra Matte liquid lipstick. I use this one as an eyeshadow. I know this is weird, but I think it's a perfect shade. Maybe you like it for your lipstick. I did use this one as a lipstick, but I don't really like it. But when you blend it out to make it like an eyeshadow, like this, it's like a perfect shade, to be honest. Like, you know, it everyday eyeshadow, and it's like all day, and that's why I love it. And you know, it's easy to blend, it's smooth, and it dry out really quick, really easily, and that's good. For my cheek, of course, I get this one for my birthday, and I really love this one. It's Benefit Chachatint, so I put it on my cheek and it stays there all day. I love it. The last one will be mascara. So I accidentally got this one. I mean, I can't remember. Oh yes, I forget to, you know, put mascara on my eyelashes and I feel uncomfortable, and then I got this one from a grocery shop near my house on the way to work, and then I used it and I end up like it, and it's really good. So yes, of course I suggest you this one. Maybe it already be your, you know, it will be favorite already. I'm not sure, but yes, I really like this. And that is my favorite of March. I hope that maybe one of my products could be, you know, help you to get a new product, and maybe help you if you find something new. So yes, thank you so much for watching, and see you next video. Bye.